ASSAM Rifles na AHING ATHENGBADA Kuki Khutlai Paiba Singa Senapati District Manungda Punna Chatminnariba Khangba Ngamlakpadagi Matau karam na ASSAM Rifles na Chatminnariba no haiba wahang asum zauthorakli wahang asimak Senapati District Student Association SDSA na su hanglakli ngarang Senapati de laiba SDSA gi office ta paumi singa unaba amada association asigi President Saloni Toni na hai haukiba February 22 gi AHING nongyaida Senapati District Laibak Thiba Thodok ama thoki Thodok aduda ASSAM Rifles amasung Khutlai Paiba Lalhouba Sing adu Punna District adugi manungda Chatminnaduna lei haiba chapsana khangba ngamki AHING nongyai ATHENGBADA Khutlai Paiba Lalhouba Sing adubu ASSAM Rifles na matau karamna ngak selaga puribano haina hangki Senapati District asi haujik thokliba irang asida yaudana ingna tapna leijaribani President Saloni Toni na makhatan hai ing tappa pamjaba Senapati District ki miyam amasung District Thangana Laiminariba Phurup Singi Marakta amaga Thajanadaba amasung Chamamnaba Thokanaba ASSAM Rifles na hotnaribra haibasi hangpham thoi haiki.
While condemning such act, we wish to question the unwarranted escort of the militant by the ASSAM Rifle in the WR, in spite Senapati being a relatively peaceful district, given the unfortunate tremor in the state. Senapati District Student Association questioned the intention of the ASSAM Rifle, whether they want to bring mistrust and confusion among the peace-loving citizens of the district and other neighboring communities. Senapati District Student Association questioned the intention of DG ASSAM Rifle calling top Kuki militants leader for talk in this challenging time in our district.